Call the architect's choice with options. This home has more to offer than your heart desires. Welcome to 1506 Elsworthy Crossing in Clarke neighbourhood. I'm Tanya Fernandez with Forestal Keystone, and today I'm proud to showcase this wonderful home. The 2015 Pelham model is one of Mattamy's finest layouts, making it even more desirable as it's located in the Clarke neighbourhood. Known for its family-friendly atmosphere, home to sprawling parks, green spaces, top-notch schools and amenities. The location benefits from its proximity to GO Transit as well as major highways the 401 and 407. Revisiting the architect's choice options, this 4-bedroom home has must-have upgrades from a super shower to an upper floor laundry, a mega master walk-in closet, designer quartz countertops, luxurious lighting fixtures, and a designated home office. Check! Yes, she has 9-foot ceilings, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. A sprawling main floor layout with choice of hardwood floors, a cozy gas fireplace, kitchen island to name a few, all features great for entertaining.